Andrew Keene, president of KeeneOnTheMarket.com, joins us now for a closer look at Cisco Systems. Earnings are coming out this week, Andrew, and what's troubling the stock? What made it fall starting around March?
Well, if you look at it, I like to look at charts on a daily chart, on a weekly chart, on a monthly chart. So I looked at the weekly chart, and it bottomed in August 2011 around this $14 level, and it was in a nice bull channel all the way up until March. And then, like you said, in March, it broke this bull channel and started drifting downwards to this $20 level. It held up at this $20 level nicely, but then on Thursday and Friday when the market sold off, obviously Cisco sold off with it. We had earnings last week in Juniper. 2 weeks ago, we had it in Qualcomm and Broadcom, and those have been poor earnings. The chip companies and the software, hardware companies haven't had that good earnings. I try to look at positives and negatives of each stock. So I looked at the positive. What are the positives? Well, they have about $8 a share cash on hand. They have $46 billion in cash. Their debt's only about $16 billion, so that's a positive. Also on Friday, it didn't break the 150-day moving averages around 1890, so that's a positive sign as well. However, on the daily and the weekly chart, it's very, very weak, and with these chip companies coming out with poor earnings, I think Cisco is going to sell off on earnings, and I'll look for a rally on Monday and Tuesday. If it gets up to this $19.70, $20 level, I'm going to look to get short.
And if it falls, how far will it go?
Yeah, like the holy grail of moving averages, the 200-day moving average. This is, it gets tested a lot, and stocks like to bounce off this. So 1810 is the 200-day moving average. I could see it move down to 1810. It has a measured move target to about $17. I just took this from the 1910 to the recent highs about $21, and then I took $2 off that 19, put you at 17. So measured move targets are called magnets around 1810 and then 1710.
Andrew Keene, president of KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Thank you, Andrew.